Hi, welcome back to the High Spec Workshop. Ryan here, the Learning and Development Manager for the business. I am today going to go over how we can wirelessly interconnect a sequence of alarms via radio frequency. For this particular example, we're going to have a heat alarm going in the kitchen, smoke alarm in the hall, and a smoke alarm in the landing, all talking to each other over a wireless frequency. So let's get into pairing our devices, shall we? Across the high-spec radio frequency alarms, you can pair up to 20 devices on the same network. But how do we do it? First thing we do, we put our bases onto our alarms before we even go to site to wire them. And we find our pair button and we press and hold it on our first device for 5 seconds. And the pairing light will come on and stay on as a solid red light, showing it's in home mode. From there, we now compare our devices. And to do that, we simply go to our next device along and we press our button twice. Our light will flash 5 times while it looks for the device and will go off once it's found it. Let's do our next one. Perfect. And there you have it. Landing, hall, kitchen, all paired in a few seconds, ready to go.